in my lungs, dear. I sing this song at funerals, no rush. These lyrics heard 1,000 times, just blush. Baby boy, you held so tightly. This pain, it visits almost nightly. Missing hotel beds, I feel your touch. I will await, dear, the patience of eternity, my crush. A universal still, no rust. No dust will ever grow on this for 1,000,000 years, and I will say your name. I love you more than I can ever scream. We booked our flight those years ago. I said I loved you as I left you. Regrets still haunt my hollow head, but I promise you I will see you again. Again. I sit here and smile, dear. I smile because I think of you. I blush. These bleeding hollow dials, this fuss. The fuss is made of miles and travels. Roadways are but stones and gravel. A bleeding heart can conquer every crutch. We booked our flights those years ago. You said you loved me as you left me. Regrets still haunt your saddened head, but I promise you I will see you. Booked our flights those years ago. I said I loved you as I left you. Regrets no longer in my head, but I promise you, and now I'm home again, again, again. I'm home again, again, again. I'm home again.